Misa got some new LEDs. Wait, show them these real quick. Show them these real quick.
Okay.
Look, he already has some white right here, but these are still like orange. You can't really see because it's kind of fucking, it's not dark, but he got like some that look blue, so it's gonna look cool. Yeah, barely. Barely. Yeah, barely. You can feel the white one. Here, let's put these on though. Alright, he finished hella quick actually. What? Wait, do them again? Are those the lights? You got scammed! You got scammed, Misa?
What happened? What the fuck?
What the hell?
I said blue, nigga.
Misa got scammed, bro. What the hell is this? Wait, let's see the pack. Misa just got scammed, bro. That's a fucking neck, bro. That's hella lame.
I can't return them, huh?
Hey, you can. You have to. Alright, Misa got scammed. Hopefully, I didn't. I shouldn't. Hopefully, these fit too, though. Let's see.
They look the same. Yes? No, come look. Come look.
Bro, how are you lying, bro? I got scammed too? Oh, hell no. I guess I need LEDs for it, bro. Bro, me and Misa both got scammed. I guess I need LEDs or some shit. That's hella lame. Oh, this photo got the clutch. Nigga stalled, bro. Alright, we both got scammed, but these should not be a scam. If these are a scam,
For real. Niggas better go cry.
I actually am, but we're gonna switch these out real quick. Am I bleeding?
Your ashy ass hands on.
Fuck you, nigga. They are ashy though, huh? I'm fucking hate you, nigga.
Because it's cold though.
No, Meko. It's too big. No, cause look, this gets in the way.
Damn.
Nah, look, we can finesse it. Look. Oh shit!
If that actually goes in, nigga, without it turning off.
I just gotta do it like this, look. Come on, baby.
That was pretty good, man.
What?
No way you're gonna put it
How the fuck does it go back in?
in. If it stays on, what the fuck? No way it stayed on. Nigga.
Shut the fuck up.
What the fuck? I hate
Bananas, dude.
I
But,
hate you. I
but
hate
it's not pointing like perfect though.
It's cool though. It still looks cool.
But like at night, it's
I
gonna.
hate you, nigga.
At night, it's gonna be good.
Nigga, finesse the
Ooh, let's go. The memes. These are next right here. Oh shit, Donavino. Oh, let me write that shit. Let me write that shit. You gonna write it? How do you do it?
Nigga, why are you outside right now, nigga?
Cause I'm fucking bored. I got
fucking crazy. This is so sick, nigga. They made it.
How do you do it?
The thingy.
This, you push it
Don't
forward.
fall,
Don't
nigga.
do it hella
Oh,
fast.
wait,
nigga.
is this the brake? What's
No,
the trigger?
that trigger is for you to go. It's safety. It's for the safety. So you don't go on accident.
You go backwards to like.
Wait, is
stop,
this is it fast?
Yeah,
Yeah,
lightweight. It
pretty
is fast.
Bro, this is kind of scary, bro.
A pussy.
It's not even fast, bro. I'm going all the way. That's not fast. Bro, it's not fast, bro. It's dead. When I break that horn right now, that shit breaks.
It is dead.
That's why it's not going fast?
Yes.
Why'd you bring it out all fucking dead, bro? Bro, this one brought it out all dead and that shit did not even move. Hell no. Yeah, I wanted to fucking go crazy, bro. I was gonna go fast.
Nigga, almost say shit.
I was gonna go hella fast. They shine or no?
Yeah, they
Oh, yeah, they do.
You already know who it is, bitch. Never mind.
Right here.
For real, let's go.
Misa, go for it.
Look hella different.
The tip of my dick.
The tip of your dick. I don't know if you guys remember when I was doing my... Actually, when I was doing the Star, I broke this. I got a new one. I had to take off the whole roof because I didn't want to break it. Because last time I didn't take off the roof to switch these and I broke it. So I just took it off. I'm going to be switching them all. Oh, no, actually, only these. And then these, I'm going to switch those right now. And then I'm going to put the roof back. And I'll show you guys how the LEDs look. Ignore me, this is a loud ass car. But boys, check it. It took us a minute. I blew a fuse. I had to replace the fuse. But we got them on. When you open the door, yes, sir. I'll show you guys again, though. And I'll show you them all later, like when it gets darker and shit. But right now we're gonna go return the bulbs we bought, the fucking scam we got. So we're gonna return those. We might buy some more and we'll show you if we do. Before we go, hey, I'll meet you there. I'll meet you there. I'll meet you there. Oh shit. Yo, this shit's fast, boys. This shit is fast, my nigga. Oh shit. Yo, this shit's a little too fast, bro. Sure. Actually, it's not that quick. It's not that quick, but it's pretty cool. Bruh, Donovan, it died already. It died already, bruh. It died. Look. Dude, it's dead. It's dead already. I got one run though. Huh? One run though. Yeah, no, it was sick though. Yeah, do it. That's just cool though, bruh. It's fast, huh? Yeah, it's pretty quick. It's pretty quick. That's just cool. All right, I'll see you later, bruh. Bruh, this car is stupid loud, bruh. Let me show you guys the fucking the LED lights real quick. Got the door one. Got these, the little ones that turn on when you open the door. Oh. Got all these done too. You can see the interior much better. You can see me much better. Got the little, what's it called? The sun visor going on too. Oh, let me put the key in. Got my glove box going too. This one's actually like the most useful one, I feel like, because I mean, I gotta see. But I mean, they came out pretty cool, boys. Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Y'all already know. Other than that, all I'm gonna say is the tune is coming. Tune is coming. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. But okay, chill with the lights, chill with the freaking beeping. But yeah, LEDs are cool. I like these back there because when you open the door and shit, like you just have that little glow, which looks nice. I like these right there. Let me show you guys the license plate too. I got them switched out. Actually, let me show you the trunk too. Fuck. I might as well just show you guys all of them, bro. Honestly. Here, let me show you. Bro, these tail lights go off actually. Got the trunk one. I don't even... Dude, the one before actually shows nothing. This one shows a little bit more barely. But hold up. Oh. Last little look at these. Yeah, that shit goes off, bro. It looks newer. We're gonna go watch The Conjuring 2, boys. It's that.
River here, scum. Bro, nigga, everything.
Nigga, that would have been the end of LS400. You almost crashed, bro.
I seen that guy was in the car.